How to watch Netflix on Android. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can watch the Netflix on Android. So if you want to watch the Netflix on Android, you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to download the Netflix app. You have to open your Google Play Store and search for the Netflix here. Once you have searched for the Netflix, you have to download the Netflix app on your device. And once it is downloaded, you have to open the Netflix app. Once you are here, you have to sign in with your Netflix account credential. If you don't have one, you can sign up through the app. Just go for the add profile option. Here you can add your profile too. Also, you can edit and manage your profile, and you can add your profile and write your name here and go for the save option. After that, you have to sign into your Netflix account. So if you have already logged in, just go for the sign out option. Here, once you are signed out from your Netflix, here you have to write your email address. Once you have write your email address, you have to write your password here. So once you have been successfully logged into your account, you have to select your profile here. So to watch the Netflix on your Android device, you have to tap on any title that you want to watch. So just go for this, and if you want to watch it, just go for the play option. So if you want to watch this offline, then you have to select the download icon next to the illegible title here. You can go for the sign download and go for the turn off option, and you can download here. So you can also adjust the video quality setting in the app setting menu if you want to. So make sure you have the stable internet connection for best viewing experience. This is the simple step how you can watch Netflix on Android. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.